Come on, a bit slower the beat. I'm in the wrong gear. I'm in the wrong gear. It's raining mud! A little two-stroke A. Go on, buddy. Oh, this is a bloody pit bike. Ah, my face! I have no idea what's going on here. I'm gonna get you. Nearly. Whew. Right, morning. Today I'm going to Astley Raceway motocross track. I've never been to a motocross track before, so I'm a little bit nervous, and I'm Billy No Mates today. My dad, he's working. What's there? Yep, my dad, he's working. My mate Elliot, he's broke his bloody foot. My next door neighbour, he's busy, so I was like, you know what? I'm not going to rely on anyone. I'm gonna do it myself. 'Cause I'm a strong, independent man. So yeah, I am a little bit nervous because I've never been, and I'm on my own. So yeah, we shall see. All right, cool. See you there. Yeah, I forgot. So this is actually at the end of the video. I'm going home. That's why I look a bit like this. But I'll. Oh, God, sorry. I probably shouldn't do this while driving. I just want to say. Thank you to everyone that subscribed from the last video. I can't believe how well that one's done. It's got, at the minute, it's got like 1.3 thousand, whereas my videos before that were getting like 20, 30, 50 views if I was lucky. And I haven't really got many subscribers, so no, it's cool. Yeah, just want to say thank you. A bit of a what is this guy doing? Yeah, anyway, back to the video. It's busy, it's full of a lot of kids, so I'm gonna get my ass whooped, but I think she said 20-minute sessions on and 20 off, so I'm guessing it's adults, then kids, then adults, so it might not be too embarrassing for me, so we shall see, but I'm hoping there's some other noobs there, because I'm awful. Right, peace. Alright, so this good? Hey? Oh, it's in my van.
Yeah, put it down on mate.
Yeah. I'll do a lap and come back. Yeah, sound. Cheers, mate. Woohoo! Okay. Never been on a motocross track in my life. I'm happy. Okay, it's slippy. Hey, where's the best place to go here? We are slippy. This is fun. My goal is to catch this person. That's not where I want to be. I don't want to be here. I don't want to be on this fucking middle line. Not middle, inside line. Oh, did I tell you? From my last video, I proper hurt my left wrist. This is so muddy. Well, I like it. Well, I am concentrating so much. This is only my first lap. Bear in mind, I've never been on a. Yeah, baby. The goal for today is
I want to at least get some air off that jump. The guy in the pit bike's fucking nuts. So the main reason I'm wanting to come on these tracks is just to get overall better on my bike. Do all the different disciplines. And then I really want to do some lessons. And actually learn limits of the bike. And sorry, this chemistry is awful. I'll tell you what. So I go to the gym, although I haven't actually this week. I am feeling this, and my wrist. My wrist is I get a bit more air on them jumpies. My wrist is actually really hurting. I need to jump off that. I don't know what I'm doing off it at the minute. But, right, I'm gonna have a little rest because I'm tired.
So I'm just having a little rest. The kids are on now. I'll go back on in 15 minutes, but yeah, that was really good fun. Here's the track. I have no idea what's going on here. Why are they holding us there for so long? Numpty here didn't film us all setting off at once. Right, so let's try again. It's a shame because on that first one I had a few near misses with the front end. Oi! Learning to jump that to flat, and then this is quite fast. Ow, got hit in the ass. I'm totally in the wrong gear. I'm concentrating so much. Like, my knees are too far forward right now. My riding is absolutely horrific, if I must say so myself. Thank you. Much obliged. Okay. Swing to the left. Now this is a slow corner. I'm gonna go inside line on this, just because it feels miles better. Full on pelted in the face today, me. Loving it. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Wipe the lens. There's the lens. Ooh. Someone a bit slower than me. Wait. However, you nailed that, buddy. I'm gonna go around the outside, even though it's
mega bumpy. That's 2 on the hit list of overtakes by Zach. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh my god, that was nice. That's the most air I've ever got. I'm in the wrong gear. I'm in the wrong gear. I just got dusted by a kid, cause they are rapid. Okay, so I can feel that I'm holding on too tight my hands, like way too tight. And that's causing me some discomfort, am I gonna lie? So I've got to constantly remind myself not to not to do that. Oh man, it's so muddy through there.
It's the end of the second round. The second round. Oh yeah, it's hard going. It's not gonna lie. Then I've got one more moto in me. And yeah, that's it. It's mega. So much fun.
Let's get me some fucking roof. Straight into it. Right. For some reason I've gone back into the habit of switching with my clutch, so I'm stood up and then I think this is quite a slow corner. Try and sit near the front, stick my leg out, point it where I want to go, over these fucking bumps. Another slow corner. It's very muddy, this one. It always sounds like someone's behind you. Right, this one is particularly muddy. Woo. I am gonna go slow. Well, I'm going slow anyway. But I mean, like, I'm gonna take my time through that one. I like that burn, but I don't like going in that stuff. No sir. This is so fucking muddy. It's my own bike that I can hit. This corner I haven't figured out yet. Come on, give me some roost. Roost me, baby. Come on, baby. I need to give that lens a wipe. Oh, that's so fucking good. Oh, I'll tell you, my heart rate, I don't even want to know. I don't even want to know what my fucking heart rate is. This. I know how many times I've said this is so much fun. It is mega. The only thing I don't like is this fucking corner. Ah, my face! My vision's gone. I've been peppered in the face. I I have to run straight on there. Fuck me. I actually don't want to stop, which is funny. Ah, so is this the line? Oh my god, my legs are on fire! Go on, buddy. Let's have it. Whoop, whoop. These little rippers are so quick. Oh my god, I'm so fucking tired. Ah! It's raining mud! Oh, is this my little buddy? I'm gonna get you. But I bet I'm more fucking tired. Oh, it's like a mountain bike. I am slightly embarrassed as I brum. Right in my mouth. This is so much fun! I'm gonna go again actually. Alright. My arch and nemesis corner. How about, do I need a less revvy gear so it pushes me through it? Yeah, I'm sitting down a lot now. Waiting the outside peg, waiting it to the peg, and then cutty, do a little cutty, homemade whoops. Yes please, extra mash. We have a downer, little two-stroke A. Go on buddy. Oh, this is a bloody pit bike. Nearly. He looked back at me. Cheeky boy. Cheeky. Oh my right hand's ling. Ah, here's corner. Oh, I was mentioning I hate this corner. I don't think quads should be on with the bikes. I want to get some action in this guy. Holy moly. Okay. I'm heading back in now. I'm gonna go home. I'm pretty tired. I am so sideways. I'd definitely like to give this a go on with good tyres, because don't get me wrong, I do like these Michelin trackers. Actually lasted a full session.
That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that. I'm heading back now. I've managed 3 or 4 motos. Yeah, 20-minute sessions. To be fair, I only actually, I sweat. I'm covered in mud. I only managed one full session. The rest were like 10 minutes apiece. Yeah, it was mega. Astley Raceway, go. Doesn't matter if you're beginner like me or mint. It's good fun. It's very muddy today, but it is October, so yeah, I'm boiling. It's the hot day. 20 degrees in October. Who'd have thought it? Right, peace. I'm going. See you later.